Hi, and welcome to Empower's Driver App Tutorial Series. In this episode, we will be discussing how to upload your documents. So let's begin. First, upload your profile photo. Be sure that your head and face are visible, that the photo is taken in a well-lit area. Also be sure it's not blurry and not a photo of your driver's license. When you are finished, click Submit. Next, upload a photo of your driver's license. Please be sure that it's a non-provisional driver's license and that it is not expired. Once you are finished, click Submit. Now, upload a photo of your vehicle registration. Be sure that it shows the make, model, year of the vehicle, also the expiration date, as well as the VIN number. And please be sure it is not expired. Once finished, click Submit. Upload a photo of your vehicle insurance. Be sure the insurance includes your name, make, model, year of the vehicle, as well as the expiration date and the VIN number. If your name is not listed on the insurance card, please upload a supporting document that shows you as an approved driver, and be sure that all documents are not expired. Once you are done, click Submit. Finally, upload a photo of additional documents as needed. If you have extra documents you would like to upload, such as an upcoming insurance policy or additional supporting materials for your insurance card, please upload them here. When you are finished, click Submit. Thank you for watching the Empower Uploading Documents tutorial video, and remember that together we will empower.